Good morning, my dear students. How are you? Today we are going to complete Lesson 4, Unit 1. The title is Performing a Play. Pages 12 and 13, Activity Book on pages 10 and 11. Be ready for this journey today. Lesson objectives. We are going to learn the use of English, be good at. Learn to specific information and talk about opinions. Keywords to learn before we start. The first one is mammals. Mammals. You know, actually mammals, usually the animals with four legs, mainly with four legs and fur. You know, fur is a kind, something on the back of the animals. For us as humans, we have hair, but for the animals, they have fur. Okay? Yes, mammals. Mammals. Here, this is a picture of birds. Birds. Okay, this is the picture of fur. Fur. See, as I told you, this is the kind of hair, but we don't say hair, on the back of the animals. Okay, we say fur. This animal is bat. Bat. And this is on the back of the birds. We say, of course we don't say fur, we don't say hair, we say feathers. Feathers. Yes, so please repeat after me. Mammals. Mammals. Birds. Birds. Fur. Fur. Bat. Bat. Feathers. Feathers. Yes. Performing a play. The first part of our lesson, they say the children in the picture are going to act in a play. They are making signs for the animal characters in the play. Please listen.
Some children are drawing mammals. A mammal is an animal that has fur and teeth. Most mammals have four legs. Some children are drawing birds. Birds are animals that have two legs, two wings and feathers. Most birds can fly. One child is drawing a bat. Name two mammals and two birds. Do you think a bat is a mammal or a bird?
Yes. Thank you very much for listening. Again, students, I ask you to read, the text on your own. See? Some children are drawing mammals. As you can see in the reading text, a mammal is an animal that has four legs and teeth. Okay, most mammals have four legs. Some children are drawing birds. Birds are animals that have two legs, two wings and feathers. Most birds can fly, but one child is drawing a bat. Here we have two kinds of questions. The first one, name two mammals and two birds. And after that, do you think a bat is a mammal or a bird? Actually, it is a mammal. Yes, this is the answer to the first part of the question. Mammals, I will show you some mammals like the giraffes, deer, horses, sheep, squirrels, dogs, cats, pigs. All of those animals see in the first picture, they are mammals. Birds, as you can see, we have, like hens, eagles, swans, ducks, etc. Yes, again, you need to concentrate on this and you need to decide which animals are mammals and not mammals, or you can decide, you say that they are birds. Now, students, exercise number 6, listen to a conversation and fill in the missing words. Please listen carefully. If you can't fill the spaces while listening, this will be good.
Track 6.
I want to be a bear. Bears are big and strong.
I want to be a fast animal. What can I be?
How about a fox? How about a tiger?
That's a good idea. I'll be a tiger.
I think I'll be a kangaroo. Why do you want to be a kangaroo? Kangaroos can jump and kick. I'm good at jumping and kicking.
Yes. So students, Anna, she said, what can I be? Zhgaier, he said, how about a fox? Ben, he said, how about a tiger? And Anna, that's a good idea. Yes, you know these answers depending on the listening. The last one we have, why does Zhgaier want to be a kangaroo? Listen again.
Track 6.
Yes, listen again.
I want to be a bear. Bears are big and strong.
I want to be a fast animal. What can I be?
How about a fox? How about a tiger?
That's a good idea. I'll be a tiger.
I think I'll be a kangaroo. Why do you want to be a kangaroo? Kangaroos can jump and kick. I'm good at jumping and kicking.
Yes. So the correct answer is he wants to be a kangaroo because kangaroos can jump and kick. Because kangaroos can jump and kick. Okay, students. Now if we move to exercise number 3, talk. Imagine that you are going to act in a play. What animal do you want to be and why? You know the children, they wanted to be a bear, a tiger, a fox, a kangaroo, etc. Ask 3 friends, see like here, what do you want to be? Okay, let's imagine that one of the students is going to say, I want to be a lion. Then you need to ask him, why do you want to be a lion? And he needs to say his reply. Okay? Yes, you need to do this, you know, with your partner. After that, listening, exercise number 4. Tony is drawing a picture of a bat. Listen to the conversation, then answer the 3 questions. Again, my dear students, listen carefully. Okay? And try to write the answers for the 3 questions.
Track 7.
Hi Tony, what are you drawing? It's a bat. It's flying around at night, catching insects. Bats only fly at night, not in the day. What a great picture. You're very good at drawing, Tony. Thank you. Do you think a bat is a bird or a mammal? It's a mammal, I'm sure. It's not a bird. How do you spell mammal? I'm not very good at spelling. M-A-M-M-A-L. Thank you.
Yes. So students, number 1, what is Tony good at doing? He is good at drawing. Number 2, what is Tony not good at doing? Actually, he is not good at spelling. You know, he can't write the word or he can't spell the word mammal. And the last question, what is missing? What is the missing word in Tony's picture? Actually, the word mammal. Yes. Now over to you. What are you good at doing? And what are you not good at doing? Tell your partner. For example, you say, I am good at playing football, but I am not good at drawing, etc. Yes, you know, you need to write about your partner or tell you about your partner, like Jenny is good at dancing, but she's not good at skipping. Before I move, you know, forward, we need to study the language detective. This is very important, students, for you. What happens when you add ing to a short vowel word that ends in a consonant? You know, if I want to put ing to the word, to the verb run. Run, you know, this is a short vowel word that ends in a consonant. Actually, students, please put it in your mind. We say we double the last letter. We double the last letter. So running, you know, it becomes double N, then ing. Hop, the same. You know, hop is a short vowel and the word ends in a consonant. So we put hopping, double P. Swim, swimming. Students, you need to write here, swimming, double M, ing. Yes. Before I move, students, you know, consonants, they are the letters which are not vowels. You know, vowels in English, we have 5 vowels in English. They are the A, E, I, O, U. The rest of the letters, we call them consonants. Okay, so this is very easy. Okay, so I will repeat the vowels in English. You know, all of you, you know them. They are the A, E, I, O, U. The rest of the letters or the rest of the alphabet it's called consonant. So if the verb ends in one of the consonants, okay, and there is a short vowel before the consonant, we need to double the last letter. Now the second part, what happens when you add ing to a word that ends in a silent E? Okay, sometimes we have verbs end in E, but it is silent. Just we write, but we don't say. Like the first one, dance, as you can see, D-A-N-C-E. If I want to add ing, of course, again, students, you need to know this. I delete the E, and then I add the ing. So dancing, as you can see, it's written there, D-A-N-C-I-N-G. Write, the verb write, as you can see on your book, it ends with silent E. So again, if I want to add the ing, I delete the E and then put ing. And here you have the verb make. See, it ends with silent E. So again, if I tell you to make it with ing, you need to write the same verb, delete the E, then add ing. Okay, students? Yes. Play the spelling game. Write a name of the animal. Again, you need to play this with your partner, with your brother, or anyone in your family. Okay? Write the name of an animal. Don't show your friend. Spell the name. Your friends must write the word. They have to make a sound like that animal or act that animal. Yes, okay? Now we are going to move quickly to the activity book. This is very nice and very easy. Performing a play, write the name below each bird and mammal. Okay, you have the animals and birds above in the box. You need to determine which word for each animal or bird. So the first one, the first part, we have birds. The first one is owl. The other one is parrot, goose, penguin. Okay? Again, students, now we will move to the mammals. The first one is fox, kangaroo, bear, and tiger. Hope that you wrote all of them correctly. Yes. Now we will move to exercise number 2. They are asking you as a kind of homework, if you like. You can, send this to your teacher. This is very nice. Make it as a presentation or as a worksheet and send it to your teacher. Make a picture dictionary. You need 14 small pieces of paper and write the name of the mammals and birds above and 6 more. Draw pictures, put the mammals and birds in an alphabetical order and make a book or a poster of the birds and mammals. Okay, let's say this is a kind of project for you. I will move to exercise number 3. Vicky and Paul are going to act in a play. All the characters are birds. Paul is trying to decide which bird he wants to be. Put the sentences in order to make a conversation. Number the conversation or the lines from 1 to 6. Okay? Yes. So students, again, on your own, try to take some time and decide which one is the first sentence. Actually, it is, what do you want to be, Paul? Number 2 is there. I don't know. So, okay, so how to complete the conversation? How about a goose? No, I don't want to be a goose. How about a parrot? That's a good idea. I will be a parrot. Okay, so this is the conversation. And number 4, write the missing words. Use the auxiliary verbs is, are, and ing form of each verb. And students, please try to remember the grammatical rule that we just said. Skip, because it ends in a consonant and there is a short vowel before. What are we going to do? Please say, we need to double the last letter. Giggle, it ends in silent E. So what do? We delete the E and put ing. So please, number 1, the girls are skipping. Skipping, as you can see, double P, and giggling. We deleted the E. In number 2, the dragon move. It ends in silent E. So what are we going to do to the E? We need to delete the E and put ing. So please write your answers. The dragon is moving up and down. The last one, 3, clap. It ends in, there's no E, but it ends in a consonant, and there is a vowel before, short vowel before the consonant. So we need to double the last letter. We are clapping our hands. We are clapping our hands. Yes, and in number 5, students, make up a sentence for each picture. Use the ing form of the verb. You know, of course, I will show you some sentences, but they are not the only correct ones. You know, you can write as many correct sentences as you can. Number 1, again, students, please try to write your own answers before you look at the screen. We can say that the first one, she is playing football. You can say she is scoring a goal, etc. In B, they are playing squash. You know, this is not tennis. Tennis, you know, because you need a net. But there's a kind of a sport, if you hit the ball on the wall, this is called squash. And the third one, he is riding a horse. He is riding a horse. Number 6, what are you good at? Write a sentence. You say, I am good at playing football. I am good at speaking English. I am good at drawing, etc. Okay, so you need to write, you know, your own answer. The last one, what are you not good at? You say, I am not good at speaking French. I am not good at swimming, etc. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching, and seeing you soon, inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.